So hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Sumo Rock Luna. So join me as we unbox the Merciless and the Batman Who Laughed Night Armor. There you go guys, look at that. This is just the art design of the box, actually the back of the box guys. Whoa, so awesome artwork. Big shout out to McFarlane Toys for this amazing work, especially for Sir Todd, and big shout out as well to Shavu Toys V for this magnificent McFarlane DC Universe Merciless and the Batman Who Laughed. So this is the box guys. So this is the side of the box as you would see there. Like that. And the front of the box with the clear window box so that collectors would see already the actual figure, what's inside the box, alright? So if you watch Shavu Toys V, I think last 3 weeks ago for the unboxing video of this is awesome. One of a kind figure again from the DC Universe and by the McFarlane team guys. So join me, let's unbox this one. So technically guys, just to give you a heads up already, the box or the inclusion inside of the box is the Merciless figure, alright, with the helmet of the Merciless and the God-killing sword of Merciless as well, and then the new image of Batman Who Laughed, and as well the big and round outrageous base of the two action figures, Merciless and Batman Who Laughed. So bear with me while we do the unboxing guys, alright? Whoopee! Boom! So here you go guys, this is the Batman Who Laughed. Ito na siya. At ang Merciless na red version. So guys, included sa box is the base na sobrang laki. Okay. So para siyang puzzle. 3 particular parts or 3 parts ng base. So kabit natin. Medyo sobrang laki niya guys. Before tayo pumunta sa details ng action figure, ito muna na unahin natin. All made in PVC plastic. Okay. Sulit guys kung ikay nag-order or nakabili ng 2-pack na Merciless and Batman Who Laughed. Napaka-sulit. Napaka-angas. Napakaganda siya guys kung tutuusin. So, ayan. Paproblemahin nyo lang kung paano nyo siya i-display sa sobrang laki. Kasing laki siya ng plato. Okay? Ito siya guys. Diba? Kahit sa camera ko, hindi kita. Kasing laki ng plato. Alright? Napakaganda ng details guys. Kung fan ka ng Batman Dark Knights, ito siya, Dark Metal Knights, ayan siya. Logo ni Merciless. Nakalimutan ko na yung iba guys, sa totoo lang, ni Dawnbreaker. Ayan. Kalimutan ko to eh. Basta madami si Shavu, kabisado niya. Kung kompleto ka ng figures na yan, ng Dark Metal Knights, pwede mo siyang ilagay kasi if I'm not mistaken, ayan guys, oh. Each logo has a certain pin para maging base. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 figures ang pwede mo din ilagay sa base. Okay? Ayan, o. Makikita mo siya. At ang ganda ng design. Ayan. Batman who laugh sa mismong center. Ayan siya, o. Ganda. Yun nga lang, guys. Yung base, it's big. It's like a plate itself. Ayan. Then next sa figure, dun muna tayo sa Merciless. Yung Merciless natin, guys, alright. The good thing about this figure is that may kasama siyang unmasked. Usually sa Storm Collectibles action figure, ang may kasamang unmasked na Bruce Wayne. Alright? Dito meron na si McFarlane na ginawa. Kasi sa buff, wala namang unmasked Bruce Wayne. Okay? Ayan o, ganda ng head sculpt. Panalong panalo. And yung body sculpt is the same with the buff na Merciless Wave dun sa Dark Metal Knights. And yung blue. And as well sa patina. Nung in-inspect ko siya. Colorway lang ang nagbago. Mas, for me because I love black and red, this one is perfect. Para siyang Vladimir armor dun sa Dracula movie na napakaganda. Ayan, o. All red. Okay? So, napakaangas niya. But still, the same sculpt, the same articulation na 22 points of articulation each figure. Opinion ko lang, in my opinion, guys, I hope Todd put some swivel, not just on the bicep here, but on the thigh part para mas maganda ang posing and articulation ng bawat figure, especially for this one sa mga big figures ng Merciless. Okay? Kasi medyo mabigat ang body sculpt ni Merciless, and without any base, sometimes it falls down kapag pinost mo siya ng standing position. So, it will take time to pose it properly to get the correct balance, kumbaga, ng figure para ma-pose mo siya maayos. Regardless kung standing position man yan or bending position. Yun lang yung sa akin, But overall, maganda ang ginawa ni Todd dito sa Merciless na to. I really love the colorway of the armor. Pati yung ibang shading. Yan. So, sa helmet naman, see, nagli-lean forward siya. Yan. Ayan. And, yun nga pala, guys, I noticed yung ball socket dun sa ankle, hindi siya masyado nakabaon inside. So, dahil heavy figure siya, there are tendency as well na mas mabilis mag-loose ang ankle joints ng Merciless. Okay? Which is common issue na rin kahit dun sa buff part and even sa patina. Kahit yung patina na linabas na Merciless, ang hirap yung i-pose, yung ankle ball joint niya mabilis mag-loose. Then, sa helmet, or dun sa armor, it's still the same, alright? Same head sculpt, color lang talaga din ang nabago, the appearance of it. It's just the color itself, and then the eyes. Nilagay na lang yellow. Pero para at least, contrast syempre dun sa helmet, para mas makita. Hopefully, sana ginawa nila glow in the dark yung sa mata para mas maganda. So, ayun. But overall, Merciless, it is a perfect for me, for all the details, 10 out of 10. Articulation wise, for me, 8 out of 10. Okay? Kasi nga, mabilis mag-loose yun sa ankle joint, lalo heavy figure, then at the same time, it is really hard to balance sa posing ang Merciless. Okay? Overall, maganda siya. Perfect na perfect. Yan. And then, next is the Batman Who Laughs. So, this is a newly designed body sculpt and uniform, kumbaga. Alright, for Batman Who Laughs. Okay? So, mamaya, di-differentiate natin. So, ito siya, guys. Nakita nyo naman. Like the crown, the King Robin from the Dark Knight Metals as well. Ganun na yung kanyang kumbaga yung crown niya dito sa Batman Who Laughs, okay? Nagkaroon na siya ng crown, so napakaganda. Kumbaga ito na yung ano niya, supreme, parang naging supreme ano na siya, leader dun sa Dark Metal Knights na comics. So sa mga awesome comics na magandang basahin, and hopefully gumawa siya ng animation yan. Nako, ang daming manonood. So ayan siya. Bago na yung uniform niya. Ayan. King na siya. King Batman Who Laughs. Kung titingnan nyo. Ganda ng details, oh. Panalo. This one, guys, ito, hindi ko lang alam kung factory defect. Pero hindi siya pantay. Okay? Hindi siya align. Kumbaga, squibble ang dating niya, oh. Unbalance yung sa belt lang niya. But still, okay pa din for a collection of Dark Metal Knights. Ayan, oh. Ganda. Yung, napansin ko lang, yung sa lower torso niya ito, from the legs itself, it's the same with the old version ng sculpt sa Batman Who Laughs. Ayan. So, ito siya, oh. Kung titingnan nyo, comparison-wise. Ayan. Diba? Yung legs niya, still the same. Shading and colorway lang ang nagbago, kung tutuusin. Rather than all black, the same pa din. Pati din sa, actually, sa shoes din niya, yes. Parehong-pareho lang, to be honest. Nawala na ng kulay to. Hindi na siya silver. Diba? And then sa arms din, yes, the same sculpt din dun sa arms niya. Ayan. Just a little comparison from the version 1 na Batman Who Laughs, from the first release nila ng Dark Metal Knights na ang tawag dun, series nila na build a figure. Okay? So ito, medyo kinostom ko na ito kasi ng bloody, kasi Batman Who Laughs ano na siya eh, napaka-brutal na niya siya. So ayan, ang nagbago lang talaga is the upper uniform or costume ni Batman Who Laughs. Ayan, karoon siya ng double insignia Batman sa gitna. Then this one, parang cloth ng royalty as a king or a prince ang dating niya. Ayan. So far, yun lang naman changes, and then the cape. Ang kinaganda lang din sa cape is kahit plastic vinyl siya, hindi siya wired cape. It's a soft plastic, see? Hindi kagaya ng other Batman dun sa cape nila na hindi wired cape. It's a little bit hard plastic ang dating. Pero ito, soft siya. Ganda. Pati yung pattern sa back, ang ganda, oh. Overall, it's a perfect 10 out of 10 for me for this Batman Who Laughs. Okay. Yan, oh. Ganda, oh. Pogi. Pati head sculpt. Panalong panalo. My opinion, guys, hopefully binigyan nila ng weapon as well si Batman Who Laughs. Like another set of blades or anything weapon na knife, 'di ba? Para mas maangas. So ito siya, guys. Papakita ko lang. So hopefully mapakita ko ng maayos kasi ang laki talaga niya. De plato ang base. So just like Shavu Toys V Migs mentioned on the unboxing live of this two-pack Merciless and Batman Who Laugh. If you have a complete version of the Dark Knight's metal, you can put them here sa base. As in, complete. Napakaganda nilang kolektahin. Alright? So, kay Merciless, syempre, dito siya. Teka. Medyo ano natin space. Nahanap ko lang ang kanyang pin. So, kasi yung kay Merciless, guys, kung nakikita nyo, yung logo niya, you can just insert him. Oh, di ko siya makita. Sorry, guys. Ito. Parang naka-step. Yan. Diba? Ganyan siya. So, ako paproblemahin ko pa mamaya kung paano ko siya i-display. Or ikikip ko na lang yung base. And syempre, kapag Batman Who Laugh, pwede din siya dito. So, either dito silang dalawa or doon. As in, nakapalibot. It's up to you guys. Pero ako, mas gusto ko kasi si Batman Who Laugh. So, isasentro ko siya. So, yan guys. Going back, sorry. Ayan. Ganyan siya guys kalaki. So, again guys, if you have the complete set ng Dark Metal Knights na series, na build a figure, those figures, you can put it here sa base as well, okay? Besides pa dito sa dalawang peg for the base, alright? So, ayan siya. Move ko lang ng konti para makita nyo. Diba? Sobrang laki, guys. So, ayan. Again, na-refresh na ako, guys. Si Batman, Murder Machine. Ayan ang logo. Merciless. Si Red Death. Nandoon. Tapos, Devastator. Dito sa dulo. Then, dito naman si Dawnbreaker. Tama ba? Kung pagkakaalala ko. The Drone. Ayan, si The Drone pala yun din dito. Tapos si Dawnbreaker ang isa. Tapos yung isa naman din dito kasi is si Dawnbreaker. Si Dawnbreaker nandito naman. Yan. Yung 6 na figure na yan pwede. But again, it's up to you. Depending on your taste, on your collection. So, ganun din yung gagawin ko kasi wala akong Dawnbreaker. So, hope you enjoy this quick unboxing and toy review of our McFarlane DC Multiverse 2-pack, the Merciless and the Batman Who Laugh. So, hope you enjoy this quick unboxing and toy review. Please do like and follow my page, Sumurock Luna, at Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and as well in YouTube for more toy unboxing, reviews, and some Toy-Con events as well. Alright. So again, Sumurock Luna out. Happy collecting and collect responsibly, guys. Peace out. Bye-bye.